For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Palantir Technologies shares have seen impressive gains, soaring by almost 3 times their value from the start of this year. This increase came after Palantir announced strong revenue growth that has continued to accelerate, along with an optimistic revision in its outlook for the remainder of the year. This remarkable performance signals that Palantir is capitalizing on trends in the artificial intelligence space, particularly in the software segment, a development that's catching investor attention in a big way. However, Palantir is quickly establishing itself as one of the most prominent players on the software side, focusing on applications that enable organizations to harness artificial intelligence in meaningful ways. Let's break down Palantir's recent third quarter performance to examine if it's still an attractive opportunity for potential investors looking to enter the artificial intelligence sector. Over the past 5 quarters, Palantir has posted continuous acceleration in revenue growth. Just over a year ago, in the second quarter of 2023, Palantir's revenue growth was at 13%. Since then, the company has made significant strides, reporting a 30% revenue increase in the most recent quarter. Notably, in the previous quarter, Palantir achieved a year-over-year revenue growth rate of 27%. A reflection of the company's rising momentum. This growth has been driven largely by expanding revenue from existing customers, as shown by the company's trailing 12-month net dollar retention rate, which stood at 118%. This retention metric gauges growth among customers who have been with Palantir for at least a year, minus any customer churn. High retention, particularly in the software industry, is a positive sign of customer satisfaction and continued demand for a company's offerings. Breaking down Palantir's performance by segment, commercial revenue recorded a 27% year-over-year increase, totaling $31 million. This growth was largely fueled by strong results within the United States commercial segment, where revenue surged by 54% to reach $179 million. If we exclude strategic commercial contracts, commercial revenue increased by 30%, while United States commercial revenue soared by 59%. Meanwhile, Palantir's international commercial revenue showed more modest growth, rising 3% to $138 million. However, this international growth lagged on a quarter-over-quarter basis, experiencing a 7% drop. According to the company, the slowdown was mainly due to reduced revenue contributions from a Middle Eastern government-sponsored enterprise, coupled with ongoing headwinds in Europe, which continued to challenge growth in that region. This signals that while Palantir's United States commercial business is thriving, some international markets are facing specific challenges that may impact near-term growth. A significant driver of Palantir's recent success is its artificial intelligence platform, which has been met with unprecedented demand across its United States commercial client base. This demand is helping Palantir both attract new clients and expand its footprint within existing client organizations. Palantir has highlighted its extensive experience with artificial intelligence applications, noting that it has been deploying these technologies at scale for decades, which has positioned the company as a trusted partner in implementing artificial intelligence solutions that are complex and large in scope. This strategic advantage is expected to be a core factor in Palantir's ongoing success, particularly as more companies across industries look to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations. On the government side, Palantir's business has also demonstrated robust growth. In the most recent quarter, revenue from government contracts rose by 33% year-over-year, totaling $408 million. Within this sector, United States government revenue saw an impressive 40% year-over-year increase, reaching $320 million, and rose 15% sequentially. This marked the strongest revenue growth from its largest government client in the last 15 quarters, a significant accomplishment given the competitive nature of government contracts and the lengthy procurement processes involved. On the international front, Palantir's government revenue increased by 13% year-over-year, amounting to $89 million, though it experienced a slight 5% decline from the previous quarter's $93 million. The company attributed its strong government growth in the United States to a combination of new contract awards for artificial intelligence software offerings and the expansion of existing programs. Additionally, Palantir cited the timing of favorable deals and the United States government's fiscal year-end cycle as positive contributors to this growth. This uptick in government contracts underscores the vital role Palantir's artificial intelligence platform plays in enhancing operational efficiency and intelligence capabilities within government agencies, especially as these entities increasingly prioritize artificial intelligence solutions. In line with its strong quarterly performance, Palantir once again raised its full-year guidance. The company now projects its annual revenue to fall between $2.805 billion and $2.809 billion, with anticipated operating income ranging from $1.054 billion to $1.058 billion. Looking back to August, during the Q2 results, Palantir's forward price-to-sales ratio was approximately 17.5. At that time, the ratio seemed high, prompting me to note that if the company achieved a 30% revenue increase in Q3, it would appear less overvalued at that multiple. Fast forward to the current period, and Palantir delivered precisely that 30% revenue growth discussed, leading to a significant boost in its stock price. Now, following this latest price surge, Palantir's stock is trading at a forward price-to-sales ratio of 34 times projected revenue based on analysts' estimates for the next year. If Palantir continues to exceed its revenue guidance at similar levels, the company's Q4 revenue growth could reach 31%. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform specifically has shown substantial momentum, gaining traction among both United States commercial clients and government agencies. The company's expertise and positioning within the artificial intelligence space are compelling, suggesting that it will remain a dominant player in artificial intelligence software for the foreseeable future. However, while Palantir's prospects appear strong, it's essential to consider valuation as well. Given the stock's recent rally, Palantir's valuation has reached a level where a degree of caution may be warranted. I would therefore advise investors to consider securing some partial profits at this point, as valuation could play a more significant role in future investment decisions. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.